already trending on many of the social channels like YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and other social sites. Chico token presale is your next chance to get in early on the next big viral meme coin on Ethereum. Join the Chico pack to fetch insane rewards and profit potential. So first you can see that presale is getting down. Let me tell you that the presale will be held on 79 days and 11 hours. So this is the presale countdown, and the presale will be held on 79 days. So first of all, you have to connect your wallet. You can pay with an ETH and receive Chico. So here you can simply connect your wallet, and there we can see some about details of Chico, that what is Chico, and to get notified about Chico opportunities. This is the urban legend has it that Chico is the grandson of the icon Taco Bell restaurant, Chincoa named Gadget. With his famous lineage, Chico aims to have the world saying, "You kicking Chico." So this is all about Chico, that what is Chico, and Chico presale is getting live, so you can simply join this and you can simply choose their insane rewards and profit potential. Don't miss this opportunity to grab some Chico as we enter the meme coin super cycle. And simply you can click on buy now to purchase the Chico token and held this. This is the video of Chico token. This is about the latest video. You can check this. And here we can see that Chiconomics about this token. So first you can see that they have 40% pre-sale, they have 20% for marketing and community rewards, 10% is for advisors, partnerships and team, and 30% for developers and exchange listings. Chico pre-sale soft cap is $30 lakh. Unsold pre-sale token will be burnt, liquidity pool will be locked, and total supply is mentioned here. So you have a look on this. And here we can see the roadmap of Chico token. So first you can see the phase 1 have official website launch and smart contract development. Pre-sale and airdrop begins. First marketing campaign kickoff. Building the Chico community, finalized deal on first exchange. Phase 2 will be pre-sale completed, airdrop distributed, listed on a few major exchanges. Second marketing campaign, and phase 3 have third marketing campaign. Phase 4 have listed on 10 CMC exchanges. And now we are going to check how to buy Chico token. First of all, you have to connect your wallet, switch to Ethereum network and press the connect button to choose one of the main spotted wallets to connect the website. Then you have to buy with Ethereum or USDT. You can use Ether, ETH or USDT ERC20 to purchase Chico tokens from this pre-sale. Then you have to claim your Chico tokens. When the pre-sale has been completed, you will be able to claim your tokens using the claim button. It just as when purchased your Chico tokens, make sure to use the same wallet used to join pre-sale. By joining the pre-sale, you secure Chico token as a discounted entry price, positioning yourself as an early spotted of a fun community-driven project. Don't miss out on this exchanging opportunity to be part of the Chico movement before it skyrockets. So you can simply click join to be joined out. And this was all about how to buy Chico token. Here we can see some frequently asked questions about Chico token, that what is Chico tokens, anticipated to the one of the most soft meme coin on 2024. Urban legend has it that the Chico token is graduated from the icon Taco Bell restaurant Chinhoa named Gadget. With his famous lineage, Chico aims to have the world saying, "You quiero Chico." How do I contact team? You can contact the team using this email. So you can simply contact their team by using this email. You have send the mail to their team, they will contact you. How can I claim my Chico? You can claim your token in 3 days after pre-sale ends, right here on the website, same place you purchased them. So here we can see that we have the Chico contract address and when will Chico list on exchange. See roadmap for Chico scheduling. However, there is a good possibility the first of multiple CX will be finalized while in processes. And here we can see disclaimer: cryptocurrency investments carry a high risk of volatility. Be aware of the tax implications as profits may be spotted to capital gains or other taxes in your jurisdictions. Cryptocurrency regulations can vary, so ensure you understand the rules in the era. Conduct thorough research. The invest only what you can afford to lose. Chico is a meme crypto project for recreational purpose only. Chico presale is a prohibited purchase by parties located in the USA or US territories. And here we can see the social channels of Chico Coin. We have their Telegram, Twitter and YouTube channel. You can simply join their Telegram community to get notified about the Chiku project, and you can simply join their Twitter, follow them on Twitter to get stay updated with their recent tweets about Chiku Toin. And this is the Chiku Toin YouTube channel. You can simply subscribe this YouTube channel to stay updated and get notified about their upcoming latest updates. Okay, so here you can see the disclaimer of Chiku token, and here we can see that how to buy this. You can simply connect your wallet and exchange your Ethereum into Chiku token and hold this. So user details is mentioned here about your purchase Chiku as 0. Okay, so this was all about today. I'll drop the link in my description which you can use to access the project. I hope you like this Chiku token. Go and purchase this token. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope you like this video. Please like more videos, subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching.